guys, this is the Phantom takedown bow, 56 inches long. It's by Mandarin Duck. They ship all around the world. Really good prices, really cheap prices. I'll put a link in the description. Go check them out. This is where I got the bow from. They actually sent this out to me just to test it out for them, and so far, you know what, I've been pretty happy. As you've seen, it's good for fishing, it's good for shooting whatever the hell you want, really. There is a sighting system you can put on this, but I quite enjoy just using this for a bit of target practice, just natural sighting in. Folds down really small. I think it's only about $89 US if you want to buy one. So it's pretty cheap, and that's delivered to your house. It comes in 20 to 50 pound draw weight. So you just select on their website whatever you want. They sent me a couple of bows which you guys will be seeing soon, but this one is the one I like the most just because it's a bit of fun, you know. It's nothing complicated, nothing you have to sight in. You just aim and shoot. Without further ado, let's go shoot some shit. Alright guys, Instagram, check out my personal account, Mark J Official. Plenty of cool stuff about archery on there. Links in the description. And if you're into fishing, check out my other page, Extreme Fishing Planet. All the links are in the description. Have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video.